Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add XAUUSD gold in MetaTrader 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go right here and click on view. Make sure you enable market watch, or you can just click Ctrl M. And after that, after you select it, select symbols again right here. Go to the metals, click on gold versus dollar, USD dollar, and click on show symbol, click OK, and after that we need to go to the market watch again, and if we go to the market watch right here, just drag it right like this, and the chart should open up, gold versus US dollar. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.